People are making thousands every single month without ever touching a single product. Sounds wild, right? That's dropshipping. And today, I'm breaking down how it really works in 2025 and how you can jump in too. So, what exactly is dropshipping? It's an online business model where you get to sell products but never have to keep any inventory. Here's how it works. You set up a Shopify store, you list products from a supplier, and when someone places an order on your site, the supplier ships it straight to your customer. No packing, no boxes in your basement, no late-night shipping runs. You focus on marketing and customer service, and the rest happens behind the scenes. Let's get into how Shopify and dropshipping actually work, step by step. First, you build your online store on Shopify. It's honestly super easy, no coding, no fancy tech skills needed. Next, you find trending or profitable products using apps like Deezers or Spocket. Once you spot a winner, you import that product into your store, set your own price, and start selling. Here's where it gets fun. Say your supplier sells a product for $10, but you list it for $25 on your store. When someone buys, you pocket the $15 difference, minus whatever you spend on ads. That's your profit, and it can add up fast if you pick the right products. Now let's talk real money. Some people start with dropshipping as a side hustle and make an extra $500 a month. Others turn it into a full-time gig, pulling in $10,000 or more every month. But let's keep it real. It's not magic. You've got to put in the work with product research, strong marketing, usually through TikTok or Instagram, and solid customer service. Thinking about giving it a try? Here's what you need. Number 1, a Shopify account. Number 2, a product sourcing app like Deezers. Number 3, a TikTok or Instagram page to drive traffic. And number 4, a bit of know-how for paid ads or just get creative with organic content. Start small, test products, follow trends. Don't overcomplicate it, just take that first step. If you want a step-by-step guide to launching your own dropshipping store, comment below "I'm in" and I'll send you the best resources to get started. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that thumbs up, share with a friend, and subscribe for more money-making tech videos just like this one. See you next time!